Good morning, students. In your chapter, this banks and simple interest. In this chapter, one example remain. Fourth one, practice set 35. Practice set 35. Yesterday we studied these three examples. One example remain. Fourth one. Kishan Rao wanted to make a pond in his field. He borrowed rupees 35,250 at 6 PCPA from a bank. How much interest will he have to pay to the bank at the end of the year? Kishan Rao wanted to, he borrowed these rupees 35,000. Principal is given 35,250. Rate is given here 6 PCPA. And time also given 1 year. Then write here formula SI is equal to T into R into T divided by 100. Then put here values 35,250 into 6 into 1 divided by 100. Five to the 10, 5 7 the 35, 5 5 the 25. Then here 2 3 the 6, 705 into 3. Do this multiplication. Answer is here rupees 2115, 2115. SI is equal to 2115. Here Kishan Rao will have to pay rupees 2115 as interest to the bank. Here only simple interest. Here your practice set 35 completed. Means this chapter completed, banks and simple interest. Here only one practice set 35 and in this practice set only 4 examples. Then giving again some examples in this type of this simple interest. Only questions giving. In homework you complete this. Write questions. Homework. What would be the yearly interest on rupees 6,000 at 5,000 at 12 PCPA. Here time means here 1 year you take here. Time. P given, R given, T take your 1 year. Then use formula this SI is equal to and write the solution. Then second one C. Ram deposited rupees 8,500 in a bank at the rate of 10 PCPA. How much money will he get? At the end of the year? Third one. Sapna borrowed rupees 35,000 at 9 PCPA for 1 year. What amount will he have to return? To the bank at the end of the year. Then fourth one. Here giving directly SI is equal to what? P is equal to 7,500. Then R is equal to here 10 PCPA. And here time is equal to 2 years. And what is also amount. Okay. Then fifth one. P is equal to 6,500. R is equal to 9 PCPA. T is equal to 5 years. Then what is the simple interest and what is the amount? By using this formula, SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. The simple interest chapter you are completed, and giving again some examples for practice. In homework you complete this. Okay.